Repetition of classes is a common worry among developers using Tailwind. Like I already mentioned, if it's possible to create small components in your framework, you should really do that and avoid repeating the same set of classes. For instance, this button can become a component which contains all the common classes like padding, maybe even the color, border radius, and all the font styles. But in case you're not using a framework like React or Vue or Laravel, but instead using a templating engine like Twig, creating small components for buttons might be an overkill. Only in that case, we can use an apply directive in Tailwind. Let me show you by extracting the classes of this button into our style sheet. So let me select all of them, copy this, and go to the input Tailwind configuration sheet, whatever you would like to call this. And here, let me give it a class name like BTN Chocolate. And using the apply directive, I will paste all of those utility classes right here exactly as they appear there. And now we should be able to replace this with BTN Chocolate, like so. Let me copy it and replace all these utility classes also with BTN Chocolate, refresh, and it works exactly the way it used to. The great thing about apply directive is you can use Tailwind utility classes itself in combination with regular CSS. So you will save yourself so many lines of CSS. And since you're familiar with the Tailwind utility class names, this is even easier to write. Now you can also use variants here. For example, let's add the hover modifier and say BG Chocolate Dark. Even this works using the apply directive. So if I refresh, yes, it works in both the places. We can even add responsive variants like MD, SM, XL, everything works. Say for example, at the MD breakpoint, you want to increase the padding, the horizontal and the vertical padding of both these buttons. You can do this also right here. Let me refresh the page, and at MD breakpoint, notice both the buttons increase the size. Look at the button. Yes, I know this just saved you from adding these classes in multiple places, and I also know that it looks very pretty here to see a single class name, but you'll lose all the goodness of Tailwind CSS if you do too much of this. You'll end up context switching from HTML to CSS file constantly, thinking of new class names to add, and you will not have that much control over your styling. So, though this feature exists, use it only when it's absolutely necessary and helps you maintain repeated code. That's mostly about customization and configuration you need to know, so we have reached the end of this chapter.